Welcome to part number 4. Under the part number 4, we are going to discuss about the speed, time and distance. But in this particular video, we are going to discuss more specifically about the boat and stream. Now, when there is a object which is running on the water, there are three types of speed. One, the speed on the still water where there is no waves. Second speed is speed against the stream. So let's say the stream is going towards north and the boat is going towards south. So that is the speed against the stream. And the third speed, which is with the waves, means when the waves are going from north to south and the boat is also going from north to south. So there are three type of speed is given under such type of boat and stream kind of questions. So this is a GMAT and GRE video lesson, and the questions may come regarding the boat and stream. So today we are going to discuss the questions related to boat and stream. Let's say Mr. Ashwin is swimming into a still water. So remember, still water means there is no wave. No wave means still water. At 4 kilometers per hour, and with if the wave stream is 1 kilometer per hour. So stream speed is 1 kilometer per hour. Ashwin takes 1.5 hours to go and come back. So let's say this is Mr. Ashwin. He is actually swimming and his speed is 4 kilometers per hour and the stream of the speed of the stream is 1 kilometers per hour. So Ashwin swim x kilometer per hour, that is what the distance while going, and while coming the same distance, that is x. So one time Ashwin is swimming with the waves and next time Ashwin is swimming against the wave. So remember, with the waves means your speed will increase, and without the stream your speed is decreasing. So now here with the waves, so wave speed is 1 kilometer and Ashwin speed is 4 kilometer. So Ashwin speed is 5 kilometers per hour with the waves, and against the waves means it is 4 minus 1, so 3 kilometers per hour. Now here we know distance divided by speed is equal to time. So time is already given, it is 1.5 hour. So 1.5 hour means it is 3 by 2. So 3 by 2, distance is x while going and while coming it is x. While going it is 5 because it is with the stream, and while coming it is against the stream, so it is 3. So 3 by 2 is equal to x over 5 plus x by 3. When you solve this equation, it is 45 2 into 3x plus 5x. So 45 is equal to 6x plus 10x or 16x. So it is 2.8125 kilometers Ashwin has swam. Next question. Raju Rathod is swimming 1 kilometer with the waves. So with the waves, 1 kilometer with waves to complete a certain distance. So distance is not given. In 15 minutes. In 15 minutes. And the same distance he is going to covering up in 25 minutes. In 25 minutes against the stream. Against the stream. Then find out the speed of the waves. So here distance is not given, so we assume the distance is equal to x kilometer, and we have to find out the speed. The speed is equal to distance divided by time. So distance is 1 kilometer and time is 15 minutes. 15 minutes means 15 over 60 hours. So 1 over 4. So 1 divided by 1 over 4. So 4 kilometers per hour. Now while coming, same equation we can apply. It is 1 over 25 over 60 because 25 minutes. So you have to convert into hours. So it is 1 over 5 by 12. So it is 12 by 5 kilometers per hour. Now velocity of the stream means 4 minus 12.5. This is the distance. This is the hour. So 4 over 5 kilometers per hour. Kilometer per hour. So this kilometers per hour we are converting into meter per second. So you have to multiply by 5 by 18. So that comes to 2 by 9 meter per second. Next, a boat is traveling at a speed of 10 kilometers in still water. Boat went 91 kilometers. So let's say this is 91 kilometers and came back. This process took 20 hours. So it goes and came back. So going and coming back, it took 20 hours. Find out the speed of the stream. So velocity of the boat is 10 kilometers per hour and velocity of stream is not given. So you have to assume it is x kilometer per hour. So while going, it means it covers 91 kilometers, and while going, it is going with the stream. So 10 plus 10 is the speed, and while coming, it is against the stream. So 10 minus x is the speed, and it took 20 hours because this is distance, this is speed. So you will get time. Here you have to look at the option. Now, if this kind of questions are coming, then option A, option B, option C and option D is given. Then you have to pick up the option and put, instead of x, put the value of the option, and if the option simplification is coming 20 hours, then that is the answer. So here option 3 was given, and option 3 was, C option is 3, and if you put x is equal to 3, then you will get answer is 20. So answer is 3. One streamer is running at a speed of 25 kilometers against the wave. 25 kilometers for 8 hours. While coming back, this is while going. While coming back, it is 39 kilometers in 11 hours. And total distance is 52 hours. Find out the speed of the waves. Here the speed of the boat is not given and stream speed is also not given. So speed of the boat you have to assume x kilometers per hour and stream is y kilometers per hour. So in 8 hours it is 25 kilometers and 39 kilometers. So 25 distance, x is the speed of the boat minus the speed of the stream. So here minus, so here we have to put plus because this is against the stream and this is with the stream, and it will take 8 hours. Next time what is going to happen? 35 kilometers against the speed, against the stream, and with the stream 52 kilometers, and it will take 11 hours. Now you have to balance the equation by multiplying with the phi. So 35 into phi is 175. 5 into 52 is 260, and 11 into 5 is 55. So this is 2a we got. Same we have to multiply the first equation with the 7. So it is 175. So 175 matched. 39 into 7 is 273, and 8 into 7 is 56. So and x plus y is 13, which is already been given. So now you are going to find out x minus y is 5 and x plus y is 13 is already been given, so x's cancel, 2x is equal to 18, so x is equal to 9. Put the value 9 here, so 9 plus y is equal to 13, so y is equal to 4. Yagnesh Dalwadi can run the boat in 10 kilometers per hour if he went 24 kilometers to and fro at a speed of 24. It took 5 hours. So velocity of the boat is 10 kilometers per hour. Velocity of stream is not given, so you have to assume it is x. So while going it is 10 plus x, and while coming it is 10 minus x, is equal to how many hours? 5 hours. Now you have to look at the option. The option will be given in the exam. So A, B, C and D. You have to put that option instead of x and solve the equation. When you are putting that equation, if the answer is 5, then it is 5. So here one of the option is 5, and if you put x is equal to 5, then it will bring 5 hours. So answer is B option. Current swim 3/4 against the stream. So 3/4 against the stream for 15 minutes. While returning, he completed the same distance in 10 minutes. Find out his speed with the stream. So 3/4 of the distance in 15 minutes, returning in 10 minutes. So 15 minutes is 1/4 hour, and 3/4 kilometer in 1/4 hour. So his speed will be 3 kilometers per hour against the stream. Now 3/4 upon 1/6 is 9/2, so 4.5 with the stream. Now speed of the boat is 3 plus 4.5 is 7.5, and speed of the stream is 4.5 minus 3, so it is 1.5. So 7.5 and 1.5, it is in ratio 5:3. Next question, a speed of the stream is 4 kilometers per hour. A boat is running at a speed of 6 kilometers per hour against the stream. So 6 kilometers per hour against the stream. So 4 kilometers is the velocity of the stream is 4 kilometers. The boat is running at a speed of 6 kilometers per hour against the stream. So 6 kilometers x plus 4, 6 kilometer x minus 4 is equal to 2, because it reached destination in 2 hours, so is equal to 2. And then options will be given. Here A option is 6, B option is 5, B option is 8, C is 5, and D is 10. So if you put the B option 8 instead of x you put 8, and then you find out the answer will be 2. So correct answer is 8. So here we are completing the example related to boat and stream. Very few examples are there. So you write down the example on a separate paper. Do it by yourself. And once you finish, match your answer with the answer given in the video. And that is the way you are going to master the concept. So we are going to complete this boat and stream video. Now next time we are going to cover about the animal jump video. So see you next time. Thank you very much.